How to check your laptop's or PC's specs on your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check your laptop's or PC's specs. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will want to do is open up your settings. So after you open up your settings, simply head over to the system option right here. Head over to system, and after you head over to your system, you can get a lot of settings, so you will need to scroll down all the way. Now after you scroll down all the way, you will find the about section. Now under about section, you will see device specifications. You can rename your PC and your Windows specification. So tap on it and it will just open up. Right here you will be able to see your device name, your processor, your RAM, your IDs, and your system type. There are a lot of sections here too. You can even see your Windows specifications. And yeah, that is basically how you can see your system's specifications on your laptop or PC. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.